Now I am really disappointed because today is just arrived after 1 month that I'm waiting for, and exactly the same of the other one. Have a look at that. Here I have got 13 satellite linked at the moment. I hope you can see it, right? 13. Have a look as soon as I turn on the camera. Okay, now I fall down to 9, but start recording. Ready to go visions. Number of satellite is lower than I need to work. Now is recording, and the number of satellites is fall down to 5. I hope you can see, but the bar, for example, is yellow instead of green, so I have no GPS working at the moment. Also with the second kit that you just sent to me. Okay, so now I want my money back.